Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's explore how to navigate back on your iPhone. For example, if I open the Settings app and tap on the General tab, how do I return to the main settings page? It's super simple. You'll notice a small arrow at the top left corner. Just tap on it and you'll go back. But here's an even better method you'll want to learn using a quick swipe gesture. Place one finger on the far left edge of the screen, then flick it toward the middle. A quick flick, and boom, you're back. Now, let me show you something important. If you swipe slowly, even if it's the same distance, it won't take you back. For a slow swipe to work, you need to go all the way from the left edge to the right edge of the screen before releasing your finger. Keep this in mind as you practice. This gesture works in most native Apple apps and even in many third-party apps. However, not all apps support it. Let's try it in Safari. Here I'm on the Instagram website. To go back to the previous page, I simply do a quick swipe from left to right, and boom, I'm back. To go even back, a quick swipe again, boom, I'm back on the home page. Of course, you can also use the back button in Safari, located at the bottom of the screen. Sometimes it's hidden. To reveal it, just swipe quickly anywhere on the web page and the back button will appear. And you can go back. Now, what if you're redirected to a different app? Let's say I'm in Safari and I tap a link that opens the App Store. To return to Safari, swipe quickly from left to right on the home bar. And there you go, you're back in the previous app. To reverse this and go forward, swipe from right to left. That's all about the swipe gestures for going back on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.